To remove a microprocessor in a heatsink, locate the microprocessor that is to be removed. Remove the heatsink. Do not touch the thermal material on the bottom of the heatsink. Note: touching the thermal material contaminates it. If the thermal material on the microprocessor or heatsink becomes contaminated, you must replace the heatsink. Use a screwdriver to loosen the screw on one side of the heatsink to break the seal with the microprocessor. Use a screwdriver to loosen the screws on the heatsink, rotating each screw 2 full turns until each screw is loose. Gently pull the heatsink from the microprocessor. Open the microprocessor release lever that is labeled as the first release lever to open. Microprocessor release lever. Open the microprocessor retainer. Attention! Do not touch the connectors on the microprocessor and the microprocessor socket. Use the microprocessor installation tool to remove the microprocessor from the socket. Twist the handle on the microprocessor tool counterclockwise to open the tool. Align the installation tool with the screws on the microprocessor socket and lower the tool on the microprocessor. Twist the handle on the installation tool clockwise and lift the microprocessor out of the socket.